If you need to transfer your domain or move it to another registrar, one of the first things you need to do is unlock it in Namecheap. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock a Namecheap domain step by step, so you can make that change quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and domain guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place. Next, find the domain you want to unlock. On the right side of that domain, click Manage. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control different domain options and transfer settings. Now, on the domain management page, look for the Sharing and Transfer section. Click on it to expand the transfer-related settings. This is the area where Namecheap keeps the controls for moving your domain to another provider. After that, scroll down until you see the Transfer Out section. Inside this section, you should find the Domain Lock option. If the domain is currently locked, you'll see an Unlock button or an option to turn the lock off. Click Unlock to remove the protection from the domain. Namecheap may ask you to confirm the change, so go ahead and approve it. Once confirmed, the domain status should change to Unlocked. If the domain was already unlocked, you may see the option to lock it instead, which is a quick way to tell you the current status. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now unlocked and ready for transfer. When you need it, just remember, if you're planning to move the domain to another registrar, you may also need the authorization code, so be sure to check that next. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.